Okay guys, we are walking now here at KLCC. You can see there the background of me to showcase today the new attraction here in Kuala Lumpur. I will try to have it before the lights comes out. Okay guys, welcome back. Like I mentioned, we are here at one of the newest or the latest attraction here in Kuala Lumpur. Aside from that, KLCC there at the back of us, like I mentioned, we walked through there earlier on, and we are going to have a look. There at the back of me is the OMBaK Mall. I think that's the latest one that we can share with you this afternoon. And as you can see there at the back, there's a lot of people who have their activities, jogging and walking all around the place. So I'll show you there at the front right now. There you go, that is the KLCC. We came from that place there where we park our car, and these are the activities in here with all sorts of life over here at this side. That is the mosque here, and if you can see, those are the activities in the evening. The time check is now is 6:42 in the afternoon. As you can see, all those buildings in there. And what we want actually to show today is during the light is on. After this, maybe before 7 o'clock or 7 o'clock, we try to go around that building over there. So here we go. Trying to walk around, and let's see, like I said, that's the masjid to that side of me, and we are going closer. It's still not open, this building, but we try to feature it before it's so we'll just go around first and see how it's look like later on when they're on the lights, right? So there, the back of me, that's the building that we wanted to show later, and maybe we can just through and have a walk in here for a while. So those are still the activities in here in the afternoon. As you can see that, where we can just go around here as temporary shelters. So that's the KLCC. A little bit further, that is the masjid. That is the telecom, and that's always the one we features every morning. We're going to the school of my son, and like I said, we zoom in here and you can see the activities there's a lot of people walking around still, even though still not finished this one yet. There you go. So to some of the buildings, I still remember this place when we do the MRT. So let's go. So, okay, we try to go underneath the building right now, and well, of course it's still not open, but I just wanted to have a quick glance, and I think we still can walk down here. You wait for me, but the idea now is that I need to wait if the light is on, so we can see exactly what is how does it look like with the lights on later on. So as you can see, we underneath this building here, which is also the back of that KLCC there, you know. So this is actually the canopy. Maybe we can go around there so I can show you when we did the LRT, the MRT, there still be some constructions going on. So I'm walking around here underneath of this humongous building here, which is I'm trying to look at during the lights on, when the lights is on. So right, so that is the name. That is, it call it OMBaK KLCC. So this is it. We actually drive through this front here, and we also have the MRT there at the front, which is I also part of it. I also part to do the MRT before. So I'll show you how this look like. We actually did a lot of it, and I can tell you that we actually upgraded this road in front of this because of that MRT there at the front. So I'll show you now. All right. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is now the OMBaK KLCC, which is the main entrance. This is actually Pedestrian KLCC, what we are looking here right now. So, and that is the intersection where the entrance of the KLCC here, which we actually came from that just now. So maybe I will just have a quick view onto this area here. So this is the intersection, and I wanted to see the signboards. So there you go. That's the MRT. It's MRT stations, KLCC MRT stations. That's the one. So it will be very, very accessible later during the opening, maybe. All right. And as you can see, that is one of the high skyscraper here in Kuala Lumpur. That is the TRX. And what I want to show you, I will go to the other side and show you how this looks like on this side of this building. All right. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are here on the other side of the building right now. So this is how it looks like before the lights on. So this is the KLCC area. I mean the MRT. So you can always go down there. There is a connectivity between the MRT and to the KLCC. So this is how it looks like here now. We just try to wait and see during the lights on. All right. It's actually very accessible here. Public transport later on if you wanted to come over here in Kuala Lumpur for having this view of this mall. It's an OMBaK Mall, we call it. Okay guys, we are going for our prayer first before we continue our video. So we're inside the mosque. Here where the sun is still up, and we end up in here right now. The beautiful mosque, the Masjid As-Syakirin. Having a nice walk going back to the parking lot. And we're walking around the park. It's a nice walk. The back of us is that OMBaK Mall, call it OMBaK Mall, while we are walking really towards the KLCC. Got
Spending the night in Dixon. 60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now?
Yeah, okay guys, that's all for this night walk. I'll be featuring the other parts of the KLCC later on, and I'll see you in the next video.
Carried it on.
We will be featuring this soon. Stay tuned for that. Just nearby here actually. So I'll show you again on the next video.
Offering up purple rose, and I'd find you if I could.
Kasi, Amsya, yun na mana?
Ha?
But I think it's understood. Nothing good can come